Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix a Messenger emoji problem. So guys, if you are using iPhone and when you have open Messenger and when you want to use any emoji on your iPhone and facing the issue that emojis are not showing in your iPhone. So guys, as you can see here, now I am in chat, and when I am clicking emoji tab, there is no emojis here, as you can see here. So guys, how can you fix this problem and how can you get emojis on your Messenger? So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to go back on your home screen. And guys, now you have to open your settings first. Scroll it down, click on general, and now you have to scroll it below. Here you can see the option of keyboard, and you have to scroll it below. As you can see, here is the option of emoji. Make sure that it is turned on. So guys, if it is off, you have to make it on. And now you have to go back. So guys, now you have to open your app store on your iOS device, and from here you have to search Messenger. And after this you have to wait and open your Messenger here, and you need to update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing update, all the features will be fixed if many of features are missing. So guys, after doing update, your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing update, you have to go and check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your settings, scroll it below. From here you have to click on general and scroll it down, click on iPhone storage here, and now you have to find here Messenger app on your iPhone. On your Messenger app and offload your app, install again, and at last you have to click on software update. And guys, if you have any kind of update here, simply you need to download and install that update on your iPhone. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.